Introducing how to manage your reservations in Payflex POS. First, let's go ahead and log in, and then tap the 3 lines on the top left to access our reservations. Now here you can see it shows all of my reservations that I have for the next couple of days. Now these reservations can be added through the store or online. If I wanted to add one from here, you can see I've got a plus button here on the bottom right if I wanted to add a reservation. So if someone did walk in, I would need to know the time that they wanted the reservation for. We'll say it's 6:30. I also have to select a table, but that can be changed later on. I have to select a number of guests. And I need to put in a phone number. Now, if I put in a phone number of a customer that already exists in my system, then it will auto-populate their information. Here you can see I put in Dana's phone number, and as a result, his information's there. Now, let's say someone now has come in for their reservation. It's time to seat them. I can do this in one of 2 ways. Either A, I can check them in from here, or I can check them in from the service area screen. So for example, while I'm here at my floor plan, you can see table 10 has a reservation. If I tap the reservation symbol on table 10, it's going to prompt whether or not I would like to check them in for this table. Here, I tap check-in, and it seats them. Now, let's say, for instance, I was going to seat a reservation at table 40. What I could do instead is go into my reservation screen. There you can see Dana Miller right there. I'm going to go ahead and check him in. There we go. Because I tapped the check-in button, once again, it starts the table. Now, if I ring in an item, just like it would for any other order at a dining room, it's going to prompt for my position. And that is how you manage reservations through Payflex POS.